Hello, my name is Nives. I am an Australian living and working in Italy. I am an EFL teacher at a local high school. My students are in the upper high school age group, therefore 15 to 19-year-olds. I have been teaching English as a foreign language in Italy for over 25 years. I have also worked in the local industry by teaching in business English courses. I have worked online as a teacher trainer and offer to present in webinars or online conferences when I get the chance. I love learning and sharing what I learn and getting to know other like-minded individuals. In the recent years, I often present in live webinars with Sheryl McCoy as we work on many online projects together and enjoy sharing our dabbling. I hope to meet you here in the Moodle and also in the live conference weekend. See you soon.